Good morning, folks. Welcome to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, and let's unpack what unfolded in the stock market yesterday. So, it seems our sprinting bull market decided to catch its breath. After charging ahead for most of the session, the Nasdaq Composite took a step back, closing down by about 0.4%. The Standard & Poor's 500 wasn't far behind, dipping nearly 0.3%. While the Dow Jones Industrial Average gently slid about 0.1%. Well, what shifted the gears? The spotlight turned to the economy, starting with a bounce in durable goods orders. They rose 1.4% last month, hinting at an uptick in transportation equipment and machinery orders. Sounds promising, right? And in housing, the Standard & Poor's CoreLogic Case-Shiller National Home Price Index climbed 6% in January, year over year. That's the highest annual increase we've seen since 2022, marking some warmth in the winter real estate market. But here's a plot twist. Consumer confidence didn't catch the same upward breeze. The Conference Board's reading for March hovered around 104.7, barely budging from February. Yet the Expectations Index, our economic crystal ball, dipped to 73.8, whispering worries of a potential recession ahead. Now, all these data points are just the prelude to Friday's headline act, the release of the Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index, or PCE. That's where we'll get the Federal Reserve's preferred snapshot of inflation. And in a turn of events straight out of a Wall Street drama, former President Donald Trump's social media venture made its debut, surging at one point before closing the day up 16%. So, as we inch closer to Friday's main event, the markets seem to be in a reflective pause, pondering over the economic signals being sent their way. Will this breather prove to be a moment of recalibration, or just a brief intermission in the ongoing rally? That's all for today's Capital Markets Quickie. Stay tuned as we navigate these interesting times together. I'm Endrit Cela, wishing you a day as dynamic as the markets. Catch you in the next episode.